Please tilt your mobile device now for increased visibility. So after watching the intro video and basic search video, you should now have a better understanding of how our platform ItsA works. However, I'm now going to tell you a little bit more about the key buttons that will come in handy when searching and sharing for different content titles. The first being the Clear All Existing Filters button located here on the left. When you want to start a new search or are getting weird results, which is normally caused by a background filter being active, this is the button you'll want to press. When viewing a group name or person of interest, in this case Elite Eskimo, and let's say after seeing the content you click the number button next to one of the person's categories to expand the title results for it, you can now see that I focused down on the Second Amendment category and generated more results from clicking the number icon next to it. Once finished, if you want to keep searching for more results under that same person, this 2-arrow circle button allows you to reset your filters while still focusing on the original person of interest. This definitely becomes handy when dealing with individual contributors on ItsA which have submitted many different content titles under their categories. Now, if at any point you find a particular category you liked, for instance the right news, or maybe you like the results you got from a certain filter selection and you want to share that with others, you can click this grid button to then share those results in the form of a link. From there you can add a description, but that is optional. So most of the time, just hit submit. This link will be copied to your clipboard so you can automatically paste it in any social media platform so that when they click it, that person will be taken directly to your filter results. So here I'm pasting the link from my clipboard in the search box, and you'll see I get the same results as before. If you want to share the link for a specific title or item within the category you're interested in, just click on that title and choose the Share with Others button, and you'll now be able to share that title content with others on any social media platform or messaging platform. It's that easy. We then have our trending buttons, which will show you who's trending based upon your current filter selections and who's the most popular trending person currently on ItsA. Lastly, to the right you'll see our tutorial video buttons, and we strongly encourage you to watch them. And if you ever want to learn more about the many features on our platform, just check out the instructional videos and informational section located up above and highlighted in red. This video has been a basic walkthrough on how to use the main search bar related icons on ItsA.